just want to show you what I got done here today so far. There's a pile of slab wood from 4 logs I've cut. That's 4 red oak logs. There's the boards I got out of them. You can see some of them are bigger than the others. These 2 logs here were pretty decent size. Unfortunately, that one had a crack in it, probably from when the tree hit the ground. And then those 2 there were smaller logs. Managed to get 5 boards off the one, only 4 off the other. These are all 1-bys. Just give you a look at some of that wood, what it looks like. Pretty good stuff. So there's 4 logs there. I've got another 5 laying there ready to roll up on the mill and go. I'm gonna go get something to eat and come back, and I'll keep cutting. I'm starting to get some of this wood dwindled down here a little bit. Got a hole in the pile anyway. And there's still a pile more to go. Alright, I got the 4 logs that I showed you I cut this morning before lunch, and then I cut another 6, and I'll show you what I've got here. After all said and done here, that's a pile of slab wood I've got from 10 logs today. And there's the pile of pine from the other day that I did. So there's 5 logs of pine and 10 logs of hardwood there. Show you the lumber that's cut. Pretty good stack of lumber. I'm gonna take this out and sticker it all up. And then I've got 2 logs I cut over here. One of these is a white oak and one of these is a walnut. Look at the sawdust I've got here. You can see some of the different colors. There's the red from the red oak, the white from the white oak, the black from the walnut, and the green color is from the walnut I just cut. It's like one of those sand art projects. Just stack it on different colors and different shapes, and a lot of sawdust there from the saw. I'm not done yet for today. See how much more I can do. I'm going to go out and I'm going to stack this lumber, and then I'm going to come back and see how much more I can get done today. I have stacked on there all 10 logs that I cut. I have all the lumber stacked on the front of the forks on the skid steer, and I have all the sticks that I'm going to use for the stickers from between the boards. So now the question is, how much weight is all that on there? I believe the skid steer will lift somewhere in the neighborhood of 2,000 pounds. Shouldn't really give a number there. I know the skid steer lifts a lot. I'm not exactly sure how much, but we're gonna find out. See if it's able to carry all this load or not. Start her up, warm her up. She's a little tippy. It's getting a lot of weight on there. See how it goes. We'll stack all this lumber out here now. Take one more look here at the stack of lumber I cut today. I don't know how many boards are there. I count 44. 44 red oak boards. I got a stack of white oak. 14 white oak boards there. And 5 walnut boards over there. Pretty good pile of lumber for today. I think I'm gonna go see if I can hustle out and get 5 more logs cut before I go home today. I have to hurry up and get her done. Last couple logs for the day, 5 ash logs. See what this pile of lumber looks like. Pile of slab wood is growing. I didn't get much of a chance to end my video last night, roughly 5 o'clock. The sun went down, daylight savings time kind of killing me here. But it's that time of year, you know, it's dark when I get up, it's dark when I go to bed. It's just how it is. So my total log tally yesterday for the day was 15 logs. I got 15 of them cut, and for me that's a record off the sawmill. 15 hardwood logs, that's pretty good. You know, that's pretty much all I've got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see if I can break my record again tomorrow. You know, personal record, 15 logs off the sawmill one day. Tomorrow we'll go for 20. Hope you guys enjoy, and take care. I'll see you next time.